Oh, yeah. You saw my heart before I breathed. You knew my name before the world could see. No place to hide, no depth, no height can pull me from your endless sight. You know me, Lord, inside and out. Every fear, every dream, every doubt. You're closer than the air I breathe. You made me whole, you made me believe. Ooh, in my mother's womb, your hands designed each part of me, a word divine. Before my days had come to be, you wrote my story tenderly. You know me, Lord, inside and out. Every fear, every dream, every doubt. You're closer than the air I breathe. You made me whole, you made me believe. Yeah. Oh. Search my heart and make it true. Lead me on to follow you. If I rise to the sky or fall below, your mercy's there, it never lets go. You know me, Lord, inside and out. Every fear, every dream, every doubt. You're closer than the air I breathe. You made me whole, you made me believe. Under your wings, I find my peace. No weapon formed will come near me. In the shadow of the Almighty, I rest secure. You cover me. You're my refuge, my hiding place. When fear surrounds, I see your face. No terror by night, no arrow by day. You lift me up, you make a way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your angels guard my every move. Baby, your faithfulness is my truth. Though thousands fall, I still stand strong. 'Cause you're the shelter I depend upon. Oh, you're my refuge, yeah, my hiding place. When fear surrounds, I see your face. No terror by night, no arrow by day. You lift me up, you make a way. I will not fear the storm or flame. Your name alone will keep me safe. You are my fortress, my defense. I'm held by love that never ends. You're my refuge, my hiding place. When fear surrounds, I see your face. No terror by night, no arrow by day. Ooh. heavens speak, the skies proclaim the glory written in your name. Day after day their voices rise, declaring truth across the skies. Your law revives my soul again. Your words are life that never ends. Sweeter than honey, pure and true. Your wisdom shines, it carries through. No speech, no sound, yet all can hear. Creation sings, your voice is clear. The sun runs out with joy to raise, revealing more of endless grace. Your law revives my soul again. Oh, your words are life that never ends. Sweeter than honey, pure and true. Your wisdom shines, it carries through. Oh, search my heart, make it clean. Let my thoughts and words be seen. As worship rising to your throne, for all I am is yours, your alone. Your law revives my soul again. Your words are life that never ends. Sweeter than honey, pure and true. Your wisdom shines, it carries through. Revives my soul, yeah. Your words are life that never ends. Sweeter than honey, pure and true. Oh, your wisdom shines, it carries through. When the darkness tries to hide your name, I remember who you are again. Enemies fall, but I will stand, 'cause you hold my life in your hand. You are my life, my saving grace. I will not fear, I'll see your face. One thing I ask, one thing I need, to dwell with you eternally. When I'm surrounded, I won't lose sight. Your love turns battlefields to life. In your house I find my peace. In your presence my heart will release. You are my life, my saving grace. I will not fear, I'll see your face. One thing I ask, lift my soul from the dust again. You heal my heart where it's been torn within. You crown my life with endless grace. Your mercy shines on every place. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Forget not the love that makes me whole. You forgive, you redeem, yeah. You make me new. Every breath I give belongs to you. You're slow to anger, courage in love. Your compassion rains from above.